Okay, so hopefully we'll be able to get through this. My desktop recorder has been flashing, so it's kind of an annoying video to watch that way. So I'll make this short. So first of all, we want to upload a few files to Octave Online in order to make this work. I'm going to pause and go ahead and do that. All right, so the files I need in order for this to work are the DBSCAN.m file. That'll be on the class website. All of these will be on the class website. The main.m. Now I should say I've already got the data set loaded up. Otherwise I would load this one up as well. So for right now I just need dbscan.m, main.m. So in main.m we're going to be changing the parameters around, and then plot clustering result. And plot clustering is misspelled, but we're just going to leave it because it's also misspelled in the driver. So let's go ahead and just upload those. Good. Hey, I didn't even get an error this time that I usually get, or the warning about sizes. So let's take a look at main. So I've already changed some of the parameters around. So main just clears some of the stuff out. We load the data set. We set a equal to x because a is the uh, circles data. Then I just clear a, b, and c because now my data is in x. And I had to play around a little bit with these two parameters to get this to work. Yeah, so I think we can just go ahead and run this and see if we get something that actually works. Be ready to hit the 15 seconds mark. Oop. And again, you got to remember to sometimes you need to load the statistics package. Why that didn't go right off the bat, I'm not sure. All right, so be ready to hit the 15-second button. Oh, hey, that was fast. Yeah, there we go. We're all done. And this does look like, yeah, it's kind of a funky graph on the Octave Online, but we did do it, and so it's doable. You can play around with the epsilon. So for example, if the epsilon is too big, if we had said like 0.1 for our epsilon, let's see what would happen. Just so you can kind of see what a bad clustering looks like. And we'll see here if we need to, oh, okay. See, this is what we might call a bad clustering because the interior and the middle are both, they're both collected as a single cluster. Also, what happens if you crank up the number of points? Oh, maybe to 10. You have to remember what those were. I'll double check that before I let you have it. So be ready to hit. Oh, so here you go. We see that, yeah, we're getting too many clusters. So that would say that either the epsilon was too small, no, too big, or the number of points is too many, right? Because we're not we don't have enough points to we ran out of steam right when we were doing these blue clusters here, uh, and we ended up getting noise here instead of including this in our cluster. So let's go ahead and put that back to, by the way, for two-dimensional points, as a rule of thumb, or two-dimensional data points, the minimum number of minimum points should be about 4. Okay, and then our epsilon here, I think we had like 0.01, didn't we? Let's go ahead and give that a try, just to make sure that that's not too small. Be ready to hit the 15 points. That is too small, isn't it? Wowee. Everything is noise. Oh, this looks like a nice graphic, though. Okay, start cranking that up. I think that was a 0.06. I'll have to check. Be ready to hit the 15 seconds. 0.07 maybe. No, I think it was 0.06. Or was it 006? No. Oh, there it is. Boy, that was almost magical, wasn't it? All of a sudden, with the right parameters, everything comes out nicely. All right, so that's it. That is using DBSCAN in Octave, and in fact on Octave Online. So you can go ahead and use the online version if you like. All right, I'll see you later.